Hey guys, welcome to Rolling Homestead. What a wonderful day. Yeah, it's raining. I don't got a water. My father's doing it for me. Gotta love it. If anybody wants to know God's creation, look at this. Just beautiful. Anyway guys, stick around. We're gonna do some barbecue chicken on the grill. Alright guys, thanks for coming back. So today we're going to do some chicken on the grill, but I'm going to have a little twist to that. I'm going to smoke it first, then I'm going to throw the barbecue on. Last day vacation, it's raining, what else to do but some cooking. Okay guys, so we are going to be using natural applewood that I've taken off the trees, that I chipped it up. I got my fire going. Once it's good and ready there, looks like it is, we will find our glove, which is over here. We'll pour the coals out, start the wood, and we'll get to smoking. And I just want it right here on the end. I don't want anything closer to that. I want it right on the edge. There we go. Don't try that at home unless you got welding gloves. So now we're going to throw some pieces of applewood here just to get things going. Already smoking, look at that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to try, here, I'm going to try to sneak around here without getting wet and put it by my drain. Because I just want this stuff to smolder. Look at that. He does everything for me. I love it. We'll let that get going. Get some nice charcoal, or not charcoal, but some nice ambers from the wood. And then we can throw our chicken on. I'm gonna cook about 180 right now. Like I said, I'm gonna do a slow smoke. It's only about 3 in the afternoon, 3:30, so works out perfect. But last day vacation, it's been a blast guys. Memorial Day weekend, hot, but you know what, it was well worth it. Got a lot of stuff done, and now we're gonna do some good cooking, and I get to spend some time with my father, me and him alone. Can't ask for anything better than that. So when I throw the birds on, you guys, I'll bring you back. Alright guys, so it's raining, so I was kind of doing this in a hurry. With the chicken, all I do is I marinate it, and I don't marinate, it's a salt brine, just regular sea salt, and I let it sit overnight, and then I'll rinse that off. I put my special seasoning on there, and now we're going to slow smoke this for a couple hours. In the corner over there, I have some Jack Daniel's barrel pellets, which will actually give it a little bit more of a nice smoke. So we're going to let this thing sit here, and we're going to smoke out here for a while. And it already smells really good. But we're running around with umbrellas trying to stay dry. But it's a great day. I love this. This is a good way to end my vacation. Like, nice and relaxing to get ready for work tomorrow. So you got to thank him. You guys will see in a bit. All right, guys, well, we're about an hour and a half into it, so we're gonna open it up and see what we got. Oh, look at that. Whew. That's what I like to see. Look at how nice and what you're doing is you want to check to see how they're stiff, but they're still juicy. That's what I like to see. We got a nice color. Jack Daniel's barrel, she ain't lighting. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna use my advantage here. I'm gonna stick this over here. Whew, without losing my hair. Not like smoke hair. All right. So temperature is climbing, which is good because I want to start cooking now. So she's at about 200, which is a good temp. And let her smoke for a little bit. And I will start to get the charcoal ready and get ready for grilling. We were in the house and we're making our barbecue sauce, secret recipe. Someday I'll get that one out. That's really good. Little zing, little heat, really good. But so about another, well, what time is it now? It's about 5:30, so I lied. I was on there for about 2 hours. So we're gonna get everything going here. We're gonna get the charcoal ready because I want to be eating probably by 6:30, and so we'll continue to let that burn on the one side. I'll light the charcoal up, get that nice and hot. I'll throw that in there, and then we'll start cooking. So I'll bring you back when we got everything running. Alright, guys, so we were in the house and we made our own homemade barbecue sauce. Spicy, tangy. It's great. We got my chicken up here chilling. And I got my coals over here, so now I need to find my glove. We're going to pour that over there. I kind of mix our wood in a little bit here. Put the grates on. Okay, so we got our grates on. Now I'm going to clean them off. And as you can see here, our chicken, nice and golden brown. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sear it. And we're going to put that right over some coals. Not too direct, but direct enough. Chicken legs obviously off heat. You want to keep your tender or your smaller meats away from the heat. So we'll go like this, and we'll go around and we're going to go get some more applewood. So, you got my applewood. A little tip is wooden axe you don't want to hit on. East wing is solid steel. I can tap on that. There we go. Now I'll set this one. All applewood, guys. And oh, does that, the smell here is just phenomenal. And now I'm going to take a little bit of my cedar and we're going to put it over here just to start things up. And in a couple seconds here, this thing is going to just start rolling. I'll save that one for later. And now we're cooking. 6 o'clock. And we are at, I'll come get you guys here. And we are at 225. And as you can see, she's smoking. And this is some of the best barbecue chicken there is. About 3 hours on a slow smoke. Crank up that heat. And now we're going to start doing the barbecue and just finishing the chicken off. You got that applewood mixing in there. And it's just phenomenal. The smell is just, makes your mouth water. Then I have my secret recipe here. This is my homemade barbecue sauce. Rolling way. Just a little spicy, little zing. And that's what you want, is that nice. I mean, it's getting to the point now where you can't even be around here because of the smoke rolling off this thing. And we're jumping up here. We're at right around 250. Eyes are burning. The reason why I'm doing it in here, guys, is because I haven't hooked up my smokehouse yet. After the move from over yonder over to here, I need some 90s, so I actually need to go to the big box store and pick up some 90 degrees on there so I can get the firebox. I want it right here. So, alright guys, so we've been doing the sauce and we've been cooking, so I'm going to show you what it looks like here just to check on stuff. I got to get my thermostat here to make sure everything is right. I'm using the Master Chef digital thermometer here. This thing comes in handy. It lets you know when your meat's right, and so you're not worried about overcooked, undercooked. It's just at the perfect temperature. Oh, we got the potatoes on there and everything, so now we're going to check. And on here, poultry's at 175. What's cool about this thing is it's audible. So we're about 3 degrees from finished. We'll check another one here on the colder end. So now we know where we're at, and I'll take and kind of rotate these around here. Bring my other ones down. Oop. I'm gonna shove this over. Oop, I'm gonna need my glove for that one. Slide these potatoes down, and we're gonna close it up. And there you go, that's how we do it downtown. Just kidding.
These are Jamaican green beans, these are regular garlic.
Hey guys, so here's what the chicken looks like after it's all said and done. So we have barbecue chicken, we're gonna have buns, we have smoked potatoes, Jamaican green beans, and regular beans. So it should be really good. You guys all, thanks for watching. You guys take care, try this recipe out, you'll like it. So see you on the next one. God bless.